So hi guys, this is a quick unboxing of the GeekWold GK20. Thanks to GeekWold for sending me this IM. This is the first IM of GeekWold I'm trying, and I haven't heard much of them except for their GK10, which has been quite raved about. And also they recently launched a GK200, if I'm not wrong, which is $350, and this is a GK20. So this has a 3 units balanced armature and 2 units of dynamic driver and 2 units piezo electric driver. So this is the first piezo electric driver IM I'm trying. So I just got this today. I'm doing a quick unboxing. I wasn't well, so please do pardon if my voice is not good. Yeah, so this is a quick unboxing. I just took it from the box. It's a bit tight. Yeah, I think so. I don't want to sound a bit cocky over here, but I think so. I'm the first one who is doing an unboxing on these or making a video on these. I'll try to review them soon. I do have a lot of backlog. Yep. Oh, how do I open this? Okay, this. So yeah, okay, these are the IMs. This is from the GeekWold. Okay, so that comes off. Okay, yeah, so these comes off. I'll check this out later. So this is the box. Ooh, that's a nice case. So this is the card which comes with GeekWold is a young brand that produces geek audiophile earphone products, so the geek team members love. So you can pause it and read it. This is the box. Box is really good. Oh my god, the box is really good. It's hard case. It's really good. So you got some basic tips, whiteboard tips, and also you get a narrowboard tips. I think so. These are the KBA tips. Correct me if I'm wrong. I really do love the box. Again, okay, this is my second favorite. Okay, if I'm not wrong, this is my favorite box as of now, because before it was a BGVP P05 box. Now it's this. Really good. I think so. You can take a small dab also over here. Really good box or case. So this is the cable. The cable is quite good, really supple, really good. Feels good on the hand. Yeah, cable is really good, has a good chin cinch. Yeah, so that's the cable. And let's get the IM. So that is the IM. GeekWold, looks really good, like an opal. This is the left one. The nozzle seems quite small, might be good for some. This has that ear concha design, so will fit very well. The IM shell looks something like the Truthia Nova, I wouldn't say. So these are under $100, $99 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I'm really eager to test them out, because this is the first GeekWold IM, and yeah, I haven't heard much of them. So again, I would like to thank GeekWold for sending this. So this is that. So I'll try to bring a review of this soon, because I do have a lot of a backlog. I'm still posting this because I know a lot of people will have any questions for this GeekWold IM. If you do have any questions, please do leave it in the comment section below. Hi guys, this is a quick impression of the GeekWold GK20. I just got this. I just wanted to give a quick impression because there is not much available on this on the internet. So this is the IM. So one more thing I just want to say is the IM, the cable which it came with, the left pin wasn't going inside the left IM. So I thought that was an issue. So I tried it with the KB ear cable, I tried it with the Truth ear cable, I tried it with the 7Hz timeless cable. All had the same issue. Although this worked, I had to push it in a bit. Even the Celeste Phoenix call cable was having some issues. I had to push it in a bit. So I don't know if it's an issue with the IM or the cables or what. So that is one thing. And the cable which I got is a 4.4, but I do not have any 4.4 source. So I have to use the 3.5. So I have to change the cable anyways. The cable is actually quite good, but the stock cable which it came with wasn't going inside the IM. And the tips also, it's a bit iffy, but the stock tips didn't work for me. So I have to use the Devinus tips over here. That worked quite well, as you can see. Devinus tips, and they are working quite well. So I'll pop a graph over here. You can see they are very good for vocals. The bass is also quite good. It has a very good tonality. So the sound signature for this, I would say the female vocals are quite good, really good actually. The male vocals are also decent. It has also a good bass punch, but I would sort of call them a V shape, but also bright neutral. Again, I just tested only like 3 songs on this. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly put these impressions out. I have to test more so as to see how these are. So, okay guys, one more small update. I changed the cable again. I'm using the Moondrop Chew 2 cable with this, and I'm using the Devinus tips and also the foam tips, testing them both to see which one is better. So yeah, the Moondrop Chew 2 cable fits it perfectly. The stock cable isn't even going, as I said. So yeah, that's an issue. I'm really liking this IM. It's very clean sounding. The vocals are awesome, female vocals and male vocals. They really do sound awesome. But yeah, I can see many people having issues with that because it might get PSC and shouty. Then again, I just got this, so I would have to test them more. This is a quick impression again. Yeah. If you have any questions, please do ask. Yeah. Bye.